content business, one that's pulling in, say, 10 grand a month, without hiring a single writer, designer, or editor. Well, today we're going to break down the exact blueprint for how to do that, all with the power of AI.
But hang on, let's be real for a second. If you've played around with AI at all, you know the drill, right? You've got one subscription for writing, another one for video, another for voiceovers, and before you know it, they're stacking up like crazy. It kind of feels like you're going broke just trying to get started.
But here's the secret. The answer isn't some super expensive, magical, all-in-one tool. Nope, it's all about having the right system. It's a simple, repeatable process that lets you pump out a ton of high-quality content for way, way less than the old-school way.
And to really get why this system is such a total game changer, we first got to talk about the problem it's solving, and that is the surprisingly high cost of just using all these different AI tools. I mean, just look at this. It's night and day, right? The old way it meant big budgets and huge teams. You needed voice actors, designers, photographers, all of them costing a ton of money. Now, with the new AI way, a single tool can pretty much replace an entire role, often for just a monthly subscription. This isn't just a small step forward. It's a complete revolution in who gets to be a creator. So how do you actually take this revolution and turn it into a system that makes you money? Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the $10,000 a month blueprint. You know, it's actually way simpler than you'd think when you break it all down. It really just comes down to these 5 steps. First, you figure out what people are already excited about. Then, you get AI to write about it, give it a voice, and make it look good. And the last step, which is absolutely crucial, is just being consistent, posting every single day to build up that momentum. And this right here, this is probably the most important thing to remember. You could have every AI tool in the world, but if you don't have a consistent workflow, a system, they're basically just expensive toys. The real magic isn't in the tool, it's in the process you build around it.
All right, now for the really fun part. Let's actually open up the toolkit and look at the specific tools that bring each step of this blueprint to life. Think of this as your personal AI creation arsenal.
Look, every single great piece of content starts with a great idea. If you messed up this first step, nothing else you do is going to matter. So the big question is, where do you find these viral ideas before everyone else does?
Well, you don't guess, you use data. A tool like Google Trends tells you exactly what the world is searching for, like right now. Others, like Answer Socrates, show you the specific questions people are asking. And, places like Reddit are just gold mines for finding out what people are truly, genuinely passionate about.
So you found your winning idea. Awesome. Now you've got to turn it into words that grab people. This is the part where you used to have to hire a writer, but not anymore. Now AI can literally be your entire content team. You've got your all-arounders like ChatGPT, which are perfect for brainstorming and getting those first drafts down. But then you have specialists. Some AIs are trained specifically on what goes viral online, while others are amazing at writing really deep, long articles. Using the right tool for the right job is like having an expert writer on call 24/7. Okay, a script is great, but let's be honest, it's just text on a page. To really make it content, you need sound and visuals. So let's start with the audio, the voice that's going to hook your audience. This part is a total game changer, especially for anyone making faceless content. I mean, these AI voice generators can create voices that sound so real, it's kind of scary. You can even clone your own voice to translate your content into other languages. This completely gets rid of the need to ever hire a voice actor. And what about the visuals? You think you need a fancy camera or a design degree? Nope, not anymore. You can literally generate entire videos just from a text prompt. You can create incredible images with text that's actually spelled right. Then you just pull it all together in something like Canva for your graphics and CapCut to edit the video. It's like having a full production studio right on your laptop. So at this point, you've basically mastered the art of creation. You're a one-person content machine. But how do we actually get to that $10,000 a month number? Let's connect the dots from creating content to making cash. The trick is, you're not just relying on one way to make money. You can do affiliate marketing pretty much anywhere. If you're on YouTube, you get ad revenue. On Instagram, you could sell digital products. And here's the best part. Once you build an audience on any platform, brand deals will start coming to you. You could even package up your new skills and sell AI content services to other businesses. The main takeaway here is this. When you combine all these different ways to make money with the steady stream of content from your AI system, that $10,000 a month goal,
It stops being just a random number. It becomes a real, tangible target you can actually hit.
Okay, as we start to wrap this up, let's just zoom out for a second. This whole thing isn't just about a few cool new tools. It's about a massive, fundamental shift in how things are made. The future of content, it's automated.
Now, before you run off and try to download everything we just talked about, just take a breath. Seriously, you do not need every single tool on these lists. Just pick one or two from each category to get started with. Most of them have free plans or trials anyway. The most important thing is to just start building your system. Progress over perfection.
So what we've really walked through here is so much more than a list of apps. It's a blueprint. It's a plan for how you, one person, can do the work that used to take an entire team. A researcher, a writer, a designer, and a video editor, all by yourself.
And that leaves us with one last big, fascinating question to think about. As all these tools get better and better and the process of making content becomes almost completely automated, what does that mean for us? In a world of infinite AI-generated content, what is the true value of human creativity?